Hey guys, in this video we're going to have a look at a question that is kind of a fun one to do if you don't know how to do it, and it's going to incorporate some aspects of multiplication as well. This is a real maths in action kind of question where we're going to use maths to solve a situation. If you'd like to just pause the video and go ahead and do the problem on your own, you can do that now or at any other time during the video. Okay, so we're going to draw a square with an area of 64 centimeters squared. So let's just have a quick talk about a square first. And what makes a square is that the width of the square is going to be the same as the height of the square. So we know this length is the same as this length. So we need to work out how many centimeters this length is and how many centimeters this length is. This and this are going to be exactly the same. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the formula I've written down the formula for area here, and it's width times height. And we're looking for a square that has an area equal to 64 centimeters squared. Let's try some numbers and see what fits. So we need to work out what these are here. We'll try 2 centimeters. Okay, and that would give us an area is equal to a width of 2 centimeters times a height of 2 centimeters. And we know 2 times 2 is 4 centimeters, and it's 4 centimeters squared. We wanted 64 centimeters squared. So we know the lengths of the sides must need to be bigger than 2 centimeters. Let's try another number. Let's try 10 centimeter sides. So that would make, if they were 10 centimeter sides, the area would be equal to 10 centimeters times by 10 centimeters, which is going to be equal to 10 times 10 is 100, and centimeters squared now. If I compare my 100 to the target that we want, notice that this is too big. So 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters is going to be too long. So we need to try a smaller one. Let's try 5 centimeters. So that would give us an area be equal to 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters. And 5 times 5 is going to be 25, isn't it? And we know they're going to be centimeters squared. Now, our 25 centimeters is still less than the target of 64. So we know it's got to be bigger than 5, but smaller than 10. So we need a number that is going to be bigger than 5, but less than 10. Let's try 7. So if it was 7 centimeters, our area would be equal to 7 centimeters times by 7 centimeters, which is equal to 7 times 7 is 49 centimeters squared. And then we're still too small. So let's go one number bigger. Try, let's say 8 centimeters this time, one bigger. So if it was 8 centimeters, our area would be equal to 8 centimeters times by 8 centimeters, which is going to be equal to, it's going to be equal to 64 centimeters squared. Aha, now that's what we were looking for, isn't it? 64 centimeters squared. So now we know if we have a square that has 8 centimeters for its width and 8 centimeters for its height, that's going to give us a square that has 64 centimeters. Now we're ready to answer our question. Width is going to be equal to 8 centimeters and height will be equal to 8 centimeters. Once we know that, drawing our square is going to be relatively easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and across to there. There we go. So we've got 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters. And if we counted all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So we've got an area equal to 64 centimeters squared. That's my answer. This is a really great activity for when you're developing your multiplication skills, as it helps you to see the skill in more of a real context than just numbers. If you want to try one of your own, draw a square with an area of 49 centimeters squared. And let me know the answer in the comments below. Take a look in the description for some other helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.